Namaste friends. Today I got a new recipe, aesthetically looking beautiful and heart healthy as well as sugar free. You can see in the picture I already put the milk for heating it up, and it shows the single layer formed on top of the surface. At that time you have to let it get down and let it cool. The milk is the main ingredient for today's recipe. Yes, it is pink yogurt made out of scratch, which is beetroot, and heart healthy nut, which is pecan, and sugar free because I used organic honey as a sweetener. You can see in the picture that I have used this transparent cup which was at my home. So thought to layer my recipe making pink yogurt in this cup so that it will look beautiful. I got beetroot from the store, washed it and cooked it in a pressure cooker, grated it with a small grater so that it became like a finely chopped, and layered it at the bottom of the cup. You can see in the picture. Then I put pecan halves as a barrier between beetroot and milk, so that milk will not get immediately mixed up, as well as I love nuts in any recipe and they are very healthy, so try to arrange them nicely on top of beetroot. After that I used organic honey as a choice of sweetener. Sprinkled it over the pecan and nicely layered it, and then that heated up milk was enough cooled off. Tried to check it by putting finger in it. It should be lukewarm temperature so that you can settle your yogurt by using Indian curd culture. I had it at home because generally I make my own yogurt every day, so I used 1 teaspoon Indian curd culture and whipped it nicely so that the foamy layer comes on the top of the milk. After that you have to gently pour it in this cup so that beetroot doesn't get mixed up immediately in white milk. And then you have to let it sit for 5 to 6 hours for getting solidified. And I put it on countertop, and after 5 to 6 hours the yogurt was ready. You can see in the picture that it was looking so beautiful, dark pink in the bottom and getting lighter towards the surface. Generally we get yogurt from the stores which are loaded of sugar, and even though it provides you probiotic, you cannot easily eat it with guilt-free feeling. So this is a nice recipe to follow and get it aesthetically beautiful looking, and you can even make this kind of cups ready for children. They would love to eat this. Even for parties you can prepare this kind of cups for every member, and it is very easy, not time taking, just preparation is the main part. You can see in the picture how beautiful my cup is looking. When I ate it, it was very nice in taste, so thought to share with my friends who also love healthy recipes and like to share with family and friends. So try to make this video for all my friends and family members, and trying to share with you looking beautiful pink yogurt. It was also tasting very nice, so it's a good choice as a breakfast, children party, children item for snacks, as well as a dessert after any meals. You can see in the picture that the top layer is with pecan, the bottom is with beetroot, getting slowly diluted in color, and it was looking very, very beautiful. Thank you for watching my video. Share it with your friends and family members, and welcome back to my channel Art of Aesthetics with nice ideas with heart healthy and sugar free recipes. Thank you. See you again with nice recipe. Till then, bye.